Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. Gold market shows really significant performance, nice performance in recent few sessions. You can see fast acceleration with this ABCD pattern, and in general, its overall thrusting action here shows the acceleration speed becomes faster here in the last part of this swing, upward swing. And currently, the situation stands so that we have to increase the scale and take a look at the more extended targets, because on the intraday charts all targets actually have been passed with the minor reaction on them, as we warned you in our videos that only $5-7 per contract could be retracement, and if you would like to make the scalp short trades on the gold, it should be very fast and just within a few minutes, probably maybe a few hours. So because overall tendency looks really strong and market shows the upward action. Today actually we probably will not need the intraday charts because all target stands on the daily chart. So currently market has exceeded OP, as we said, so our suggestion was correct, and this market shows the acceleration rate to the OP. It means that it should go higher, and currently market stands at the first daily butterfly target, which is a 1632 approximately. It's also accompanied by the daily overbought. Next target, it's a bit different type. This is the ABC bottom extension, XOP 1618 extension. So they stand relatively close to each other. This is 1632, XOP is 1641. So $9 different between them, and probably they could be hit today. So as gold is a commodity market, it could stand with the overbought a bit freely compared to financial markets. Financial markets feels really uncomfortable in the overbought and oversold area, while the commodities could spend more time outside of the borders of the overbought and oversold areas. So crude oil, gold as well. So it means that we do not exclude the chance that market will hit this target today. At the same time, if we'll take a look at this butterfly, the common rule suggests that if you see acceleration here, and on a weekly chart, you probably will see just one candle to the upside, right to the 127 extension. It tells you that market will proceed higher to the 1618, which is major target 1658, and it agrees with major monthly fib resistance level. Now, guys, we also could put some light on our weekly report that we intend to do in the weekend, and take a look. This is the weekly doji pattern, and it has been broken. It means that you could count to the upside approximately the distance that market could pass, and take a look. Well, at least theoretically, market could reach 1660, 1680 area. So that's potential target of this upward action that we'll keep an eye on in the nearest future. Well, in such circumstances, again, when you see this action, it's definitely not the good background for taking long-term bearish positions by far, because market not at the major resistance yet, and it shows very good upward action, stronger rally. So in such circumstances, it's not a good idea for taking the short position, at least on the daily and high time frames. On the intraday charts, yes, you could scalp and take the shorts on the targets, around the targets, but that will be very short-term trade. We're currently talking about the major tendency. At the same time, it's not very comfortable taking long position as well right here, because, well, when you're going with the overbought, it's difficult and a bit uncomfortable psychologically. Take the position right at the butterfly target and right at the overbought area. You need to get some pullback. From that standpoint, you could consider just minor pullbacks that market keeps relatively accurately on intraday charts. So take a look on the 4 time frame chart. Our butterfly, by the way, has failed. You can see usually when butterfly fails, it fails miserably, and market has passed through the 1618 extension without no reaction. Or better to say, it was a reaction, but it was, as we said, just $5-7 per contract. So take a look. Here's the hourly chart, and market keeps approximately the same retracements. You can see every time. That's why as market is coming to the major XRP butterfly target, it means that probably you could consider only the minor pullback here that could happen until market will not hit the major target. So if it's interesting to you to trade this retracement, if you're trading on the 5-minute chart, for example, well, you could consider it. But that's really makes no impact on the daily chart, and we should be ready for upward continuation to major destination point. Maybe not today, next week, but probably market will reach this 1660, 1670 area. On the monthly, on the weekly chart, so that will be the major point to consider. If we will get some minor here retracement and some bullish continuation patterns, we also could consider it for taking the position. For example, on the daily chart, we also could keep an eye on a possible brand body trade, because take a look, this recent upward action is not really bad, and if market will somehow show some pullback and retesting of this previous top, this also could happen once market will hit the XOP. Well, that could be the brand body trade. So we also could consider it for taking the long position. So that's our view on the gold market.